Shifting our focus from what is happening as far as the national politics is concerned to let's take a look at what is happening in the state of Tamil Nadu, where there is another political tussle that is brewing between the DMK, the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the AIADMK. As per DMK sources, we are now learning that Udayanidhi Stalin, who's MK Stalin's son, in all likelihood will now become the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. BJP has now ended up slamming what they are terming as dynastic politics. And now we are getting you an exclusive conversation with Udayanidhi Stalin. He, in fact, has said that all of this, the reports of him taking on the Deputy Chief Ministership, is a speculation. He again is talking about the same thing and reiterates the point that it's going to be the Chief Minister who is going to decide on the matter. Remember, this is the statement that Udayanidhi Stalin has stuck with ever since this conjecture has been rife that he is going to be given the Deputy Chief Minister's position, and he stuck to the statement that it is going to be MK Stalin who will end up deciding on the exact thing, and he says so this time around as well. Let's listen in.
Why would I be ready for that? It's speculation.
But if
the Honorable Chief Minister will decide.
Will decide?
மிகுந்த மகிழ்ச்சியோடு பல சொற்பொழிவாளர்கள் பெரியாரை பற்றி பெரியார் இன்றைக்கு ஏன் தேவை பெரியாருடைய சுயமரியாதை பல தலைப்புகளில் பேசியிருக்கிறாங்க. அதேபோல் ஒரு வினாடி வினா நிகழ்ச்சி குவிஸ் காம்படிஷன் நடத்தப்பட்டிருக்கு மாணவர்களுக்கு சிறப்பாக. அதே மாதிரி நண்பர் தெற்கூர் அறிவுகள் பெரியாரை பற்றிய பாடல்கள் சமுதாயத்துக்கு தேவையான நிகழ்ச்சி பாடல்கள்லாம் அங்கே பாடியிருக்காங்க. நிகழ்ச்சி மிக சிறப்பாக நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது.
My colleague Purnima, who's just spoken to Udayanidhi Stalin, is live with us on the broadcast. Purnima, Udayanidhi is in fact sticking with his go-to statement ever since these conjectures were doing the rounds that he will be offered the Deputy Chief Minister's post. He again says that it's the CM who is going to be deciding.
Absolutely. In fact, in that exclusive short conversation that we had with him, he says that it continues to remain speculation, and the decision on Udayanidhi's elevation is something that only the Chief Minister will decide. Remember, sources from the DMK, top-level sources, had earlier told us that Udayanidhi's elevation is on the cards and the announcement is likely today. They were predicting it could be between 11:30 and noon, but we are also given to understand that the governor is not in town, and therefore there could perhaps be a delay in the announcement. But what we are given to understand is that yes, Udayanidhi will be elevated as the Deputy Chief Minister. In terms of whether it could happen today or whether it could happen in the next few days, that is something that we'll have to wait and see, because the governor is not in town. Therefore, the announcement that we expected could be around noon. That there's a bit of delay in that. Whether the announcement will happen later in the evening or in the next couple of days, that is still unclear. We'll have to wait for more clarity from our sources from the party. But Udayanidhi Stalin making it clear that it remains a speculation for now, and Chief Minister will make that final call. Sources from the DMK say that Udayanidhi will be elevated, considering that the DMK wants to sweep elections, the state assembly elections in 2026, just like the way it did in parliamentary elections. They want to make Udayanidhi the Deputy Chief Minister. That's something that many ministers in party cadre have echoed, but an official announcement on that, we'll have to wait for the developments.
Right, Purnima, stay on with us. Let's once again listen into the conversation that you had with Udayanidhi Stalin.
Speculation, only speculation.
But are you ready to take a post, sir?
It's a speculation. Why would I be ready for that? It's speculation.
But if
the Honorable Chief Minister will decide.
Will decide?
Speculation, only speculation.
But are you ready to take a post, sir?
It's a speculation. Why would I be ready for that? It's speculation.
But if
the Honorable Chief Minister will decide.
Will decide?
What explains this sort of DMK being guarded around this entire conjecture? Because we have been talking about how this news has been doing the rounds for months now, and yet nothing as far as an official announcement is concerned. Are they fearing a backlash that they will receive at the cost of, let's say, dynastic politics, or for that matter, the Sanatan Dharma remark that Udayanidhi had made in the past?
Well, so far, Udayanidhi's statements on Sanatana Dharma, that is something that even the DMK party said is one of the ideologies of the DMK, saying that they will be opposing Sanatana Dharma, and what Udayanidhi said is something that the party has been saying for decades now. Therefore, there will be no change in that front. DMK sources from the DMK say that Udayanidhi's elevation is on the cards in terms of when that will happen. In the morning, the speculation was rife, and perhaps sources we spoke to in the morning also said that it is likely to happen today, but the governor right now is not in Chennai. So we'll have to wait and see if the announcement is likely to happen in the second half of the day or whether it will happen in the next couple of days. Udayanidhi will be elevated, but till the chief minister announces, till there's a GO on that front, Udayanidhi Stalin are trying to maintain that these are just speculation. It's for the chief minister to decide. So let the chief minister decide. So he does not want to react till he's officially made the deputy chief minister. Sources, top ministers from the DMK maintain that they will be elevating Udayanidhi Stalin because the DMK wants to focus on the 2026 elections at a time when Vijay, who's an actor turned politician, will also be entering the political fray.
Okay,
So
Poonam,
clearly
I'm really
DMK
sorry I'm
wants,
interrupting
to
you
promote-
there. SG